Hello, welcome to my Chocolate Masterclass. My name is Sandy. You might know me from my YouTube channel Sandy La Pastelera. In this masterclass, we are going to learn from tempering chocolate all the way up to mastering the art of chocolate making. We are going to learn to make ganache, different types of ganache. We are going to learn to make chocolate slabs, bonbons, entremet. An entremet is a cake that has different layers in the middle. So we are going to learn to make all those layers, a mousse, a cremant, a crunchy base, and a shiny glaze. I'm even going to teach you a formula which will help you to keep your chocolate recipes consistent even if you change one chocolate with another one. I started to study gastronomy in 2011 for 3 years. I won 2 culinary competitions in pastry, one in Peru and one in Ecuador. Then I decided to do my master in Spain in the Basque Culinary Center. I did my practice with José Manuel Marcos Candela, that is a very famous chef in Spain. Then I decided to move to South Africa, where I worked with the famous chef Margot Janse in her restaurant The Tasting Room and another well-known restaurant called La Petite Colombe. I'm going to be sharing all this information that I have learned in this chocolate masterclass. The only requirement to take this masterclass is that you're passionate about chocolate. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a professional. I look forward to seeing you in the next video of this chocolate masterclass.